Congratulations, you've reached the end of the course. It's always a great feeling to complete something. Let's go ahead and wrap this course up. First and foremost, I want to thank you. Thank you for your interest in this course. Without you, my students, I wouldn't have a business, and this is a business I truly love to be in. So thank you once again, and if you have feedback, please send it to me, and I'll give you some details on how to do that in the next slide. In summary, please leave a review. If there are improvements you'd like to see, please include that information as well. I really want to make this course the best that it can possibly be. If you'd like to contact me directly, you can email me at sales@destinlearning.com. If you'd like to link up with me on LinkedIn, I've included my LinkedIn address. Love to team up with you out there as well. Also look for my other IT classes here on Destin Learning. I've included a coupon. If you're more interested in continuing your work on Java, there's a coupon for a discount for the full class that's in the next lesson. Well, that's it for now. I hope to see you in another class soon, and good luck with your projects with Java. Bye-bye.